Hi, today we're going to be making some frozen dog treats. These will definitely help keep your dog cool in the summertime. So first thing we're going to need is a blender. And you're going to want to add, I added like 4 of these small dog treats. They're really small. They're homemade, but if you don't have homemade, you can just use store-bought. Now, I used 4, and these are small, so it's really going to depend on how big they are to add however many. But you can make more of this if you want to. But I'm just making this much. So you're going to need that ice cube tray, a banana, and some water. We're not going to use the whole banana, but and a knife to cut the banana. Okay. So I'm just going to take this banana and cut about an inch piece off and drop that in there. Add a teensy bit of water just to help with the blending process. Okay, now we're going to take this, put on our lid, and then we'll blend that. But in the meantime, I'm just going to cut up some small little pieces of banana. Like that. Little pieces. Just lay one in each of our pieces of our tray. And you're gonna want to do this till each tray piece has just a little piece of the banana. And if you don't feel safe giving bananas to your dogs, just don't. This recipe, you can just take a blender. If you just want anything, just take a blender and blend up some kind of fruit or whatchamacallit in it, like a fruit or a meat. That's what I was looking for. Or just anything. Now I have each a little piece of banana, not a big piece, a little piece of banana in our thing here. And now I am going to blend this mixture, and then we'll dump it in here. And be right back. Just gonna kind of get a little room here. Okay, so I'm going to blend this. Okay, so I blended this up and it's got a little bit. I actually had to stop and add a little bit more water. It's got a little bit of chunks from the dog treats, but that's okay. Now I'm just going to take our knife here and make sure so all the dog treats aren't just floating in the bottom of it, because we want the dog treats every bite. Okay, so now this is a banana. So banana. You can dump it in something else to make it easier to pour. But I'm just gonna fill these like about full. And like once they get to the middle, they got their little piece of banana. If your dog doesn't like banana, you can do something different. But my dog will seriously eat anything that tastes halfway decent. stuff that even doesn't taste decent. If it's got meat in it, she'll eat it. No matter what kind of. Yep, like I said, all the stuff is in the bottom, so these had more of the treat parts in it than these over here did. As you can see, if you can see, it's a little darker. So I'm going to stick these in the freezer until they're hard like an ice cube. And then we'll start on another treat recipe, another one that also has banana in it.